welcome back to our channel.
I'm Zinhle.
And I'm Sibusiso.
And we are
the Mlangenis.
Yes guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new to our channel, you do want to know of the one house rule, the Mlangeni house rule, and that is to
simply click subscribe and join the family. Sibe sonke, sibe Mbumba.
Yes guys, and for our returning MCs guys, welcome back. So guys, from the title, sorry, I just look so cute. But anyway, from the title of this video, as you can see, we are speaking driving experiences, ne? And this debate started after we watched Happy Ever Ditibane, and they were speaking about their first time text. And Katlego was like, there's a huge debate between code 8 and 10 drivers. So because in this house we possess the different codes, now we started going in.
Yeah, and we were like, and I'm like, no ways. You know what I mean? But yeah, Sira and we'll reveal at the end who has what.
Oh, so it's at the end. Okay.
Which is the interesting.
No, but I feel like when we are debating, because in feeling I see there is one point that the other group of people think or thought or thinking. So we must reveal when we start.
Okay, that's fine. I have a code 8.
I've got a code C1.
Wow. It's a code B, guys.
C1 aka code 10 Mawabs. That's your girl. That's your moving truck, guys. If you want to move from your one unit to another, I'm that girl because I can like move, you know.
Yeah, but you need to bear in mind that, guys, at the end of the day, it's the person who drives, eh?
But okay, guys, let's speak about this. Code 8. I don't think a certain code makes you a better driver or not. The only thing that the other group, the code 8 group, think, hey, code 10 drivers, they don't know how to drive parallel parking.
No, not even, guys. It's
parallel parking.
No, I don't believe it's parallel parking.
That's what I was saying.
I told you this. If you are going to ride a bike, right? You are going to ride a bike. You can't be taught riding a bike with a quad bike.
Yeah.
Do you understand? So if you
spoke about muscle memory, what is that?
If you're riding a bike and riding a quad bike, those are two different things.
Yeah.
You are being taught riding a quad bike.
Yeah.
And now you're going to ride a bike. So you are being taught riding a smaller vehicle.
Yeah.
And in your daily life you drive a smaller vehicle, right?
So what makes me different from a code 8? Because yes, I've got a code 10, but I'm driving like a code 8 car. Like I maneuver around it.
Yeah, but you had to okay, let me familiarize myself, you know.
Yeah, babe.
Yeah, you had to familiarize yourself.
It must all die.
It's like I can drive a truck, but the first time I get into a truck, I need to be like, okay, yes, it has the car setting.
Yeah.
Yes, the gear 1 is gear 1, gear 2 is gear 2.
Yes.
Clutch is a clutch, you know, accelerator is an accelerator, brake is a brake, you know, and if it's an auto, same thing applies. You see, but I have to familiarize myself. The size of the car is different. The pickup of the car is different. You know, all those things. The balancing might not be the same. You know what I mean?
The same.
No, it's not.
And nani, guys, when if you were to say Zinhle right now, get into a mini truck. I need to think and see because I'm into a small car.
Yeah, but there's muscle memory. You will remember that, it's a familiar territory, as opposed to a person who's never been inside a truck.
So I'll be able to be like,
yes,
now
you've been there. But no, because when you've been there before and you know how this thing works, how you turn, at what points do you turn, you remember that. You know, it's like driving a small car, then you move and then drive a taxi.
Yeah.
You know, your wheels are basically right here, as opposed to your car where your wheels are there. You are turning, you know. So you need to gauge, you need to calculate.
But your code doesn't make you a better driver or not.
Definitely.
It doesn't.
So it doesn't matter what code you have. What matters is the person driving.
It's the person driving, guys. And I just also want to say, why I did code 10, number 1. Okay, I'm a fast learner, like by birth, by everything. I mean, because, you know.
I went on our fast.
So it was like school holidays. I needed to get my things. Like I had my learners, and they were like, code 10. In code 8, they like being special, man. Extra many 10,000 classes because
because there's a lot of things that you do.
Adobe again, that Adobe, what is that name? Yeah, that one. So I was just like, I don't have much time, and they were like, code 10 is like, it's faster because code 10, guys, to be honest, the only like parking you do here is parking. Okay, it's like, it's not even that deep. Like one parking, we are out. Steeping, oops. Sign, alright. Alertness, we all stop at the sign. We switch off our key. We send check our blind spot. Observe by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, okay. Code 10, 8, yeah, so I just needed to have my license, like, and I didn't fail. I've never failed. I know people maybe who have failed.
Why did you fail?
Did you fail?
No. I've never failed.
If you didn't fail, did you pay cold drink?
What? No, man, don't talk about things that we are not discussing that yet.
Anyway.
I only had 3 lessons, by the way. I only had 2. I was testing the Wednesday. I had my lesson on the what day was it? The Saturday and Sunday. Yeah. And then I just went to test.
I was at driving school for proper 2 full weeks.
No, because I already knew how to drive.
Yeah.
So for me it was just just to see what they're going to ask me to do when I get to the testing ground.
Yeah.
But otherwise, in the way cold drink. I mean, as I'm kumbuli, I don't remember.
Because we know. Guys, please share how many times did you have to do your license, ne?
Without cold drink.
Without cold drink, and if there was cold drink, And also, I think I did my license in Mpumalanga. I don't think the cold drink thing is like a big thing like this side, because I know a couple of people that.
I got to when I was writing my learners.
Yeah.
So we were still writing in paper. I did it in mid-trend. I got there. My question paper had answers. Guys, I'm like, my question paper had answers. And I'm like, wow, okay, hey, this is nice. I was finished so quick. I think I was like the first one to finish.
But now, guys, before we wrap it up, we just want to speak about the experience. We've had people in the car when Sibu is driving and when Zinhle is driving, and they've given us feedback on who is the better driver. And let's start with your mom. Your mom was just like, hey, this girl, oh my God, and then now.
No, but even she said in driver it's like, let me have the food. Obviously, guys, I drive faster than my wife. Well, she drives fast as well sometimes, When there's just the 2 of us, she doesn't value my life, But when there's other people, she'll drive like, hey, not to drive over Princess Diana, or drive over Grasham Hashel.
My mom says I drive like a taxi driver, though.
But I
don't know. And she said I drive a taxi driver, but say Joe's. My number 1 question was like, when were you in a taxi with Joe's taxi drivers? But
I remember when we were convoying.
And then my mom has
she was
been
not
in the same car. Wait, and then my mom has been. You've driven her to town. She's seen you drive.
Guys, I was on auto cruise on 130 from Johannesburg to Mpumalanga.
We were carpooling.
130.
Yeah, my mom was in my car and Sibu was in our car driving like carpooler. So my mom would see Sibu overtake, and my mom was like, I will never be in a car with that guy. Would drive a Johnny. Then he went to my house and then they went to town together. When we came back, obviously, I asked, so how was the trip to town? My mom was like, we are speeder.
Guys, we drive Amnan.
There's someone who
people who've driven with me, they know that I'm driver Amnan. See how I'm not a reckless driver. I'm not. Even if I speed, also I speed with caution. I don't overtake where it's not necessary.
No, shortcuts. I think people more than anything, people can just be reckless on the road. Like we can all be, we all know how to drive, but there's people that I don't know, they think, they thought that
I can think of a couple of friends of mine that I can just be like,
guys.
You're like on the edge of your seat more via na so conscious of one can be busy kumnandi music kamishane one yeah but otherwise ntwana ba driver nalaba bahlele move bafaka ama seat belt. And I know I have witnesses. Don't come here and say, hey. Pull files me.
Guys, Minanami, I'm a good driver, ne? But I also just want to ask, please say my comment sections, ne? Even when my husband is driving, I drive with him on the side. Like, sometimes he doesn't brake when he's supposed to brake. And I feel like when on the side, do you guys do that as well? I feel like 1-2 drivers.
But
now sometimes
you can step on your imaginary brake.
But I step sometimes. I feel better. Guys, sometimes he's a lot. Like I feel like sometimes you just like, Lord, it's been great, it's been nice, we've lived, we've loved.
No, it's because sometimes I just want to get home. I just want to get home. That's it. Especially after work, I'm like, traffic, I'm like, come on, Jay, go fast. You know, but on the highway, you know, auto cruise 140, see the grand, see the Nandi, see the right, see the
music, guys. So we just wanted to speak about our driving experience.
And you allow when I'm driving. That's how nice I drive.
It took me years.
She sleeps. It
took me years. It took me years though. Like at first I was not
Kamis. Yeah, go to your Kamisai. Oh,
it's like
Abuyat.
And then
Alale baby. Alale.
But it took me years. Yeah, they're saying it. You know? But yeah, guys, I trust my husband's driving. I've been in when other people are driving, and I can still be like sometimes, no, can Sibu please drive, and we're gonna be good. So yeah, you're a good driver.
Yeah, if you tell me.
Tell me I'm a good driver as well.
Yeah, yes,
Pela, code 8 versus 10. If you don't say it, they're gonna think my quality of driving.
No, she does. She's a good driver. Yeah, she is.
I'm Brigilana.
Sengla, Kunala, Zomtulaga Pafa.
Well, guys, so please share some of your driving experiences. Please say if you think code 8 drivers are better than code 10 or code 10 are better than whatever. But otherwise, guys, if you want to move complexes because you have lorry, new corner, zone driver, to your new places because this girl has a code C1.
Cheers. No, but for out here, Kolana, for two with the B code. Yeah, and imagine just any motorcycle shire with it. Magbele si shire motorcycle shire, and imagine spending those are called. Yeah, abantu abafuna ukumove abantu bangaba move asina stress ejobe ekisi yabona nje nase Bram masiya lo market la siyabanga sinankinga
nami ngiyabanga
yabona bafethu asinankinga thina asinankinga problem asinayo asilindi izimoto zihambe asinankinga
wow
si grand bafethu space doesn't limit us siyayifaka la kumele ingene khona.
Wow. Anyway, guys, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment below, and share this place as Zingeni Zogufala space Koda. But that was it from us today, guys. Until the next video.
Thank you, Bafetu. Bye.